Bushcrafters, welcome back. Well, I got that in the mail today. That's pretty sweet. This is from bndfields. He saw the hobo fishing rig and he's like, I'd like to send you some flies and jigs that I tie myself. So I'm like, well, that's pretty sweet. I would appreciate that. That's awesome. So he tied up a bunch and sent them here. So let's have a look. I'm excited. I can't wait to get in this box. So let's have a look and see what we got in there. Here, we'll just so here we go. I'm going to open it on the back side. Oop, there. There we go. Ah, sweet. Wow, there's lots of stuff in there. That's awesome. So there's also a letter. Let's see what that is. Oh man, those look beautiful. We'll have a look at them here in a second. Let's see what the letter says. Jeremy, so here they are. The jigs are all different, but the one that has the orange body, I know it looks red, but it's fire orange. I have done the best with catching crappie. Like I said, I'm not a painting artist at all, but it should not chip very easy at all. The one with the funny looking eyes and long hairs is the clouser. The squirrel hairs look funny, but what I'm about to tell you is no lie at all. You can even ask my wife and daughter. That style I have caught easily over 500 perch with only 2 flies used the whole time. Wow, that's pretty darn good. It's my secret weapon against all perch species. No joke. I hope these serve you well, and if you need more sometime for kits. For kits or whatever, just let me know. Oh, if you ever want to go trout fishing, my tying experience is pretty vast, so just let me know, and I can fix you up. Again, I hope they don't disappoint and work well for you. Take care. bndfields. Awesome. Thank you. Thank you, B&D. Let's have a look at what we got here. Man, I can't wait to go fish with these things. Have to let that murky water settle a little bit since we finally got some rain here. About 9 inches. Oh, wow, look at that. Here, let me lay some of these out. Wow, boy, these are... Man, that's some fantastic work there. Well, these ought to definitely work in this area. Oh, yeah. Stupid carpet. That one's hung in the carpet. Should have done this on something else other than carpet, huh? Here's a preview of these. Man, those are gorgeous. Just flat, beautiful work. Look at that. Man, that is amazing. Simply amazing. And look at that. This one here. Looky there. Wow. And that little guy. That's perch catching right there. I believe that's the one that he was talking about. Jerking perch with. There's several of those. Let's see here. Let's get the jigs. Man, I'm just flat blown away. I am totally impressed. This is better than anything that you could ever buy out of a store. There's another one of those bad boys, like a backup. That's pretty sweet, sorta. Similar to the other one, but that one's, wow. Have a look at that jig. Man, I don't know. B&D, you say your painting is not that good? It looks good to me. It looks great to me. I would definitely say this kicks any kind of store-bought tackles butt. That is just fantastic. Phenomenal work. Golly, man, that is just gorgeous. Look at that. That is some of the coolest stuff I've ever seen. Absolutely gorgeous. Now, look here. I would say, if it were me, that would be a dragonfly. Isn't that something else? Look at that. Look at that. It's got big beads for eyes. Man, that thing is shiny, sparkly. Looks like a little bitty mum. And here's the flies. There, got that one out of the carpet. And these, wow, look at that. Look at the work on these. This is just something else. Here's some more of those awesome perch flies. The squirrel hair. There's another one of those. Wow, beautiful. Golly. And then here, that is amazing. Look at that. Crickets. Look at that. That is just, it's crickets. That kicks butt. I love it. I love it. B&D. Wow. I'm flabbergasted, to say the least. That is gorgeous work. Gorgeous work. Man, I look at tackle shops around here and I see flies and jigs and they all look the same. That is just something else. These are beautiful works of art right here. Honestly, man, I know we discussed this via email and PM and stuff, but man, oh man, I'd be so afraid to lose any of these things. I'd almost rather want to put these up on display somewhere. That is gorgeous work. I am really, really impressed. That is beautiful. And oh man, I feel honored to get such a thing. I'll tell you right now, this is a true treasure, a true treasure. And man, I will darn sure cherish this stuff. This is absolutely gorgeous work. And man, the crickets, that's amazing. That looks so awesome. Thank you very, very much. Man, I do appreciate that. That is great. So man, I tell you, man, you bushcraft community people, y'all are something else. Y'all are just outstanding people. Everybody I've talked to via PM and through the comments and everything, you guys are just absolutely wonderful. I've yet to have anybody that I've had to speak with that's just not friendly at all. You guys are just like one big happy family to me. So man, thank you very, very much. Wow, I'm actually kind of speechless at this point, so I guess that's probably the end here, huh? Wow. Thank you again. Thank you again, B&D. That's just, man, I will treasure that. That's just absolutely fantastic. Fantastic. So, until then, until the next time, you guys go out there and get dirty. Keep your hooks wet.